Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And today we're going to be doing a small home office tour. I'm going to be showing you around our home office and showing you how I decorated it, and I'll tell you where I got some of the pieces, so stay tuned. So this is our home office. It's a small space, but it works for us. And this is how it's decorated. I'm just going to give you an overview first. It's nothing big, but like I say, it works for us. Okay, starting over here, I have these decorative small mirrors. I got these from Wayfair. I got 3 of those on this wall. Over here, I have, they're like gold curtains. I found these at Home Goods a while back. And I also got the curtain rod from Home Goods. The blinds there, silver color. We got those from IKEA. And I love the contrast against the gold and the silver blinds. This lamp we got from Zgallerie. Yeah, we got this from Zgallerie. I love this lamp. And by the way, the paint on the walls is called flannel gray. We got it from Sherwin-Williams. It's a Behr paint, but I saw that Behr had it, and I asked Sherwin-Williams, can they duplicate it, and they did. So it's called flannel gray. And also the wallpaper is from Sherwin-Williams. I'll give you a close-up of it. That's how it looks close up. So a silver, gold, and gray light. So I wanted this room to be like a silver and gold room. The desk, and white. The desk is from the galleries also. And by the way, we have 2 chairs, his and her chairs. He has the bigger chair. I have the smaller chair. Because we were going to get 2 computers, but we're not on the computers all at once. So yeah. And the chairs are from Amazon. Let me move those chairs out of the way. Get a better look. And that's the desk. It's from Zgallerie. The rug is from At Home. Love this desk. My husband wanted this desk, so he ordered it. It was one of the first things we got when we moved in, was the desk. And so what's on the desk is we have this hand here, and that is from Zgallerie. The Mr. and Mrs. sign is from Home Goods. The tape dispenser and the stapler, along with this, I guess, what, moose head or whatever you want to call it. That's from Target. I got that a while back, like a couple of years ago, and I just had it sitting around and decided to put it up. So those 3 things are from Target. We have our Apple computer here, keyboard, mouse, other things. And this is our Google Home. There. My husband's MacBook. And I just wanted this because I think I've seen this so much on desks. I just wanted one of these. So, got that. We got that from Zgallerie also. And then our phone is there. Yep. And then over here, oh, the sconces. The sconces are from, the gold sconces are from CB2. We got that from CB2. Yep. And the painting, focus. The painting is from Home Goods. I thought it would go, when I saw it, I was like, oh, it would go perfect in the office. And then we just have our printer, Beats radio speaker, diffuser. This diffuser is from Amazon. It changes colors. And it's sitting on a little cubby hole thing. It's from IKEA. And the silver and white and gold and white boxes inside, they are from Amazon. And our mailbox inbox is from Target. So yeah, this is our small home office. It's right off our living room area, but I just love it. I love the colors. I spend time in here just listening to music and doing things on the computer. But yeah, this is our small home office. Yeah. So thanks so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.